You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
Hi, my name's Gianna Meglia. I've had bad TMJ, especially the past year from grinding my teeth. The pain's gotten worse the past couple months. Constant pain all day. Migraines, I'd like to get that taken care of.
What type of treatment do you have for that?
I've had testing so far, so this is my first time in treatment. Throughout the day, it's about a 4.
Okay.
At worst, it can be a 6.
Where do you feel it?
I feel it right at the base of my jaw in this area.
Okay, that's constant pain?
Yes.
Okay, when you get migraine, where do you feel it?
My migraines can be in the middle, but also on my temples, like right over here.
Okay, can you open your jaw?
Sure.
And that's painful?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn your head to the left and the right. You feel like pain?
Yeah, it's stiff.
It's tight on the right. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Let's go backward. Good. And down. How much pain do you feel there?
It's not so much pain, it's just really stiff and a
Very
couple
stiff.
motion, it feels like.
Limited range of motion?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay to take your shirt off?
Yeah.
Okay. I will have you lie down and work on your jaw. Yes. You gotta turn around.
Should I clip my hair?
That's fine. Everything should be pain-free. You feel pain on this?
Just pressure.
Here. Majority of your pain in this area, yeah? So what's difficult for you to do because of the pain?
I'm an actor, so a lot of our work is releasing the jaw and speaking
Oh, okay, so talking is bothering you.
a lot.
And
Yeah,
what about
I'm
eating?
eating first whenever I have
Okay.
stuff is like carrots and harder foods.
Yes. You said you have headache today here,
But very slight. I think it's dehydration, not so much my jaw.
but is it okay to work inside your mouth?
Yes.
Okay. So thumb up if you feel any pain, okay? Open your mouth. Close. Any pain with that or it's okay?
A little bit.
Okay, make sure you let me know. You're not biting my hand, my finger.
Okay. A little bit.
Okay. Alright. Open your mouth. Close. Okay. Okay, sit up for me. Turn around this way. Okay. So let's open your jaw and tell me how that feels.
Oh my gosh. I've never been able to do that before. It's crazy.
Any pain or it's gone?
No, it's gone. I haven't been able to do that in years.
So let's turn your head and tell me how that feels.
Oh my gosh. How did you do that so fast?
That's all ASTR, so we'll give you a detail in a few minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's so much better.
Yeah.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.